In this video, I'm about to show you how to build a workflow that automates all post designs, all social media post designs by simply using the website URL. And let me tell you, honestly, it's better than Canva, and I would argue even better than Photoshop. It's brand theme consistent. It doesn't make errors when writing the headlines, and it's just ready to be posted on social media. So let me tell you right away what I'm talking about. So as you can see in the website, we have these colors, which are mainly the yellow in the buttons and the blue dominating, right? And that's what you see here. And all I had to do is give the website URL in this workflow as an input, and everything else has been created. I wanted to see if I could create posts that would have been created with Canva or Photoshop or any other tool. For example, I was really impressed with this one where the text is reflected in the water, stuff that you cannot do on Canva, right? So let me show you what the workflow looks like. You just add the website URL. It will use as a first prompt in this workflow GPT Vision to look at the website. It will create a visual style, will define brand colors and everything. Then the second prompt creates a mood board, which then is what we need to reflect the brand's essence and values when designing these posts, right? And then the captions, because based on those captions, then we will go ahead and create the text on the images, right? Differently on this workflow, we're not using ChatGPT, we're using Claude for everything. So we create a base prompt and then we create variations that will contain the text that will be written with AI on these images. So we will do this for 15 posts in case we want to have a whole month of social media posts and you want to post, let's say, once every 2 days. So that's why we're doing base prompt plus all the variations. So variation 2, 3 till 15. And once we're done, we'll just repeat the prompt results, which contain the prompt base and the variation to generate these different images. And as you can see, we have image 1, which is this one, which is perfect. As you can see, there's no errors in the text written. Then we have the second one, third one, fourth one, fifth one, number 6, and so on, right? These are really amazing because, again, they don't need you to spend time on Canva or Photoshop to design them. And I will make the template link available in the description of this video. Of course, we will have captions at the end that you can use. And the captions can also go to your Zapier and send everything to Buffer ready for you to post actually. So this is it. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.